Are you struggling to find a document in your Gmail account on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. With this new update, searching for documents has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, you'll want to locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Now, click on the search bar. In this field, type in the phrase, has:"document. This special search operator tells Gmail to filter your emails and show only those that contain documents attached. It's a game changer, especially if you have a crowded inbox. Once you've typed that in, hit the Enter key. In just a moment, all the emails that contain documents will appear on your screen. You'll see a list of messages, making it straightforward to find what you need. Now, scroll through the results to find the specific email that contains the document you're looking for. Take your time. Gmail organizes these emails based on various criteria, so you might find what you need quickly. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently search for any document in your Gmail account on a PC. The new search functionality is a fantastic way to save time and get straight to the files you need. Happy searching!